bed. See? Look at her.
I swear, Mom.
If she comes out of the house, she might lose a pound. Oh.
Okay, well that's on video. Mom's talking about the neighbors. And this is October 30th, day before Halloween.
Amanda fell down the stairs, the ramp.
That tree was down by the weight of the snow. There's Lammy shoveling.
Grandma's smoking a pack of cigarettes in a pot and 10 cups.
Trying to get the snow. No power. All the telephone wires are down. All up the road. Looks like another snowstorm now. But
I gotta pee.
Where's Grandma? What's wrong, Mom?
Look at his neck, clean it.
The snow's falling on Landon from the branches.
He yelled at the snow. He goes, "Hey,
is that what
snow!"
Oh, you better move. You better move. There's an avalanche coming.
No, it got him. He's mad.
Oh, look. Look at it all falling.
No.
Mom, I can't believe all the power's out.
Yeah, but you can't fight with the snow.
Where's that who fixed the telephone line that was hanging? It bounced back up?
Here, Sissy.
Craig's snow blowing.
Have some.
She's giving me more coffee. And there's no toilet. There's only an outhouse. What do you think about this snowstorm? State your name and where you're from.
I'm from Binghamton. My name is Dory and I'm from Binghamton, New York. I can't get home. This is like the storm of the century, Stephen King.
No restaurants open, no power.
Nothing. People? Oh, you want to smell the odor in Burger King? Oh, Lord, they haven't bathed. We can't do nothing. I got to go to the bathroom. I need to go home to snow. I don't know what to do. I can't hold it in anymore. So my daughter's going to make our own outhouse outside.
Yeah, we'll give you a shovel.
We're going to live like the hillbillies. I found a corn cob, put it on a stick. That's my toothbrush. That's not on, is it?
Yeah, Mom. We're going to show Kayan when he gets home.
You can't hear my words though, right?
Yes,
no,
Mom.
No, that's a camera. It ain't no words. You better not.
The roads are cleaned off now. They weren't this morning.
You see, they fixed...
Yeah, they fixed the wire. The wire must have... Yeah, but down up the road.
See if you can see some trees.